Do you want to learn how you can earn free PayPal money to like a video? All you have to do is choose a video, play it, and like it, and just like that, earn some PayPal money. And all this money that you are seeing right now on our screen, this is gonna be yours. And this car, and this house, and all of this. And if you want to know how, then check out... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. First and foremost, I am going to be showing you a new website, which is called rapidworkers.com. As you can see on their homepage, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. It also says over here that they help individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. And now that you want to become a worker on this website, you are going to go on to microjobs that they have available. You're going to pick an activity that you want to take and pick, and that one task that you want to complete, and then you're going to submit proof. Afterwards, you're going to get paid right away. You can cash out through PayPal or through whatever method suits you best, as you can see over here. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to sign up properly. To be able to do this, you're going to click on this button, and that should take you to this webpage where you're going to fill out all of the details that they are asking of you. So that is your name, your email address, your password, and your country. Now, as you can see from this list of countries, they are accepting people from literally all over the world. It just goes to show that this website is something very worth looking into and trying out. After that, you're going to confirm that you are not a robot, and just like that, you're pretty much finished setting up a brand new Rapid Workers account. Now, you have to remember some of the rules that they have actually set up on here, and make it a point to follow them so that you can spend more time on the website, making your effort and your time worth it. So, for example, you're not allowed to use VPN or any other type of masking IP software. You're not allowed to use multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. You're also not allowed to use the same IP used with other accounts to do tasks. And you're not allowed to handle tasks that are not from the country that you're from. So, make sure that you really follow all of these rules. Remember that if you do happen to break any of these rules at all, you are going to be banned permanently. So unfortunately, you just have to be careful, and you don't want to be wasting any of your time, so just make sure you follow them. It's better to be safe than sorry. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. So once you've completed your profile, they are going to ask you to confirm your email. So you just go on to your email, check the inbox, look for an email like this, click on this email, click on the link that's in the email that they've sent you, and just like that, you're going to be brought to the website. Your account already verified, so you're going to sign in, and this is how the inside of your brand new personal Rapid Workers account is going to look like. Now, here are some things that you have to remember that I probably forgot to mention, so I am gonna mention it right now. These are important things. Now, you can actually get paid up to $5 just to sign up, and the earning potential on this website is super duper high, and you can do this at any time, any day, anywhere. There is no limit, and as you can see, As you look through the page, there are so many tasks that you can choose to do. Each of this with its own unique details and instructions, like how you make money and how you can earn per task. Now, they require minutes of your time and a lot more. So you're going to keep an eye out for tasks that are not marked international or connected to the country that you're not from, as it is against the rules. Now, if you remember what I said in the beginning, we are going to be focusing on tasks that include liking videos. So in the search bar right here, I want you guys to look up YouTube. Now, after you're going to look up that, you're going to arrange the tasks according to how much money that you could actually be making from each individual task. To able to do that, you are going to simply click on most paying, and then you're going to see the most paying tasks. It's what's going to show up at the very top of this entire list, pretty much, right? So we're going to take a look at this task in particular. Now, this task claims to pay us $3.45, and it's only going to take us around 5 minutes to finish. So as soon as you click on it, it's going to bring us to this web page where we can actually read through all of the important information. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. Now all you have to do is read through these information, all of this instruction, because I had to warn you guys, there are very specific instructions per task, and it's important you read through them, because at the end of the task, if there is something that you might have missed, that you probably just guessed or thought that you could wing it, then you're not going to earn the money that was promised for you to earn. So I suggest, so that your efforts won't be wasted, so that your time won't be wasted, take some time to read through the instructions. They're very easy to understand. They're very detailed. So I doubt you're going to miss anything or misunderstand anything, because they are going to really explain it to you guys. That is why I highly encourage you guys to really read through the instructions, because this is really the key part to getting the money that you initially came here for. If you're not able to follow the instructions properly, then your efforts are probably basically useless. So just read all of the necessary information, and as soon as you've absorbed all of the instructions, you're going to follow that. You're going to follow those instructions, those directions, to complete the task slowly, carefully, but properly, and then you're going to get paid as soon as you're done. As simple as that. If you read everything, follow everything according to how they asked you to do it, you're going to get paid, no problem. If you decide to go through a shortcut, not read it, just guess your way through it, then I'm sorry to tell you, you're not going to earn. So just read it, and I hope you finish the video until the end. Make sure you comment down below what you loved about today's video, or if you have any recommendations or suggestions, we will highly appreciate it. And we were going to see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.